Thus, the official pictures of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Normal, and Plus models have finally been released. Let's start by discussing these official S25 Ultra pictures. The phone, which comes directly from Samsung, is displayed in its trademark titanium blue hue. We can clearly see the device's flat sides and incredibly small bezels in the pictures, which show it in an official transparent cover. Samsung's new Qi 2 Ready casing, which has a magnet array that fastens to the tablet, is another noteworthy feature. Speaking about Qi 2, Samsung's future devices will embrace the Qi 2 standard, according to a confirmation made by the Wireless Power Consortium yesterday. Even more intriguing, according to WinFuture, the source of these pictures, the S25 Ultra will be able to charge wirelessly at 25 watts, which is a significant 10-watt increase over the S24 Ultra. Samsung has formally declared that January 22nd will be the date of their upcoming Unpacked event. Additionally, they are giving away $5,000 to generate excitement. No credit card is needed, all you have to do is express interest. To secure your space, simply add your name and email. Additionally, Samsung is giving out $50 in free credits that you can spend as soon as the S25 pre-orders open. Now, these are the official pictures of the new icy blue Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. The black camera rings, which were previously only found on the Ultra model, are what make it stand out. This is unexpected since previous leaks said the S25 Plus wouldn't feature them. However, it turns out that the pictures were probably of the S24 Plus masquerading as the S25 Plus. In any event, the official photos verify that the bezels of the Normal and Plus models are slimmer than those of the devices from the previous year. There won't be any major design changes for the non-Ultra versions other from the new camera rings and thinner bezels. Artificial intelligence is currently the next big thing in smartphones, and Samsung appears prepared to step it up with the S25 series. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.